Your filtration expert, Sojiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. Locate the fuel filter. Disconnect and plug the fuel hoses. Remove the expansion tank if necessary. Unscrew and remove the entire filter. Do not forget to disconnect the water sensor. Install the specific tool in order to open the filter. Insert the filter into the guide, then use the bell to loosen the ring. Once the ring is loose, carefully remove the element. Prepare the seal by first dipping it in fuel. Install and adjust the seal onto the filter block. Change the filter element. Fill the fuel filter block and gently dip the element into it. Use the bell and a torque wrench to tighten the cover. Once the filter has been reassembled, reconnect the fuel hoses. Connect the inlet and the fuel outlet. Reassemble the expansion tank if necessary. Start the engine in order to prime the filter. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert.